Hey everyone, it's Terry O'Keefe. I just wanted to show you how to access and score constructed response or rubric criteria questions in MasteryConnect. And Caitlin has been awesome to afford me opportunity to go in and use her MasteryConnect trackers in order to show you guys how to do this. So what I'm going to do is from the home page, I'm going to go into trackers, and I'm going to find the tracker that I want to be able to score or grade. So this is for like rich text essay questions or constructed response questions, anything that a teacher needs to grade. So real quick, just back out. Here's the home page. I went to the trackers, choose the tracker that I want to work with. All of the standards populate. You're going to need to scroll over or filter. You can use this to filter. Find the assessment. Let me move myself out of the way. The benchmark assessment that you want to work with. Now, if you want all this stuff to go away, you just click and uncheck these boxes that are blank that you're not assessing currently, okay, until you get down to the test that you want. And this is a benchmark, district benchmark assessment. So if you notice there, if it's all multiple choice, this says grade, 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 and then there's some blanks for students who have not taken the assessment. So until you grade each student's response, the score cannot be calculated or tabulated. So what you do is you click on grade, and it launches what's called the performance grader. So you click on the performance grader, and what pops up are all the students in that tracker, the assessment piece, and then on the right, you'll see each question and whether or not it has been scored. So if it is a multiple choice question, or as in this case, you select the box that works, it'll have a green check mark. If you have an item that needs grading, this blue, light blue NG will pop up, and it means needs grading. So at this point, what you do is you will have your assessment here already uploaded, and you will given your assessment to your students. And then after, at the bottom of the question, you'll get a student's response and a rubric, which for the English department, they're using this 4-point rubric for argumentative and expository brief rights. And that you can see down here, the whole thing is not listed, but it's all there, I promise, okay? You enter the points based on that rubric right here. And then if I wanted this student to say, get a 4, I would choose score assessment. At which point, and I'm not going to do that, okay, so I'm going to discard that, okay, discard. So at which point I will have a final score, move myself again, I will have a final score, a percentage for that student. If I click on this bar and I open this up, what will happen is all of the standards will have a student score that goes from exceeding mastery to remediation, and each standard will now populate with its score. So again, one more time, trackers, choose the tracker, find the assessment, click on either grade to launch the performance center. So let's do that. Click on the question that needs grading, NG. Scroll to the very bottom, enter your score. It populates a score in this assessment. Open it up to see all of how your students scored in the others, grading points, the other standards. You can also access it here by clicking grade, and it will pop up, and the essay with rich text or the rubric criteria question will populate at the top to start. Hope this makes sense, you guys.